Iman Gadzhi just announced a crazy financing option that's helping creators make $100,000 plus in their first week. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what SplitIt is and how it can literally transform your entire business overnight. If you don't know who I am, I'm Joseph Henry. I've been featured in Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Morningstar, and Investors Observer for building a multi-six-figure staffing agency, and I've collectively generated over 7 figures across all businesses. And right now, I'm directly partnered with Whop, and in the last 6 months alone, I brought in $19 million in processing volume to their platform by helping creators like you simplify your tools and help run your business more smoothly. So Iman Gadzhi, the co-owner of Whop, just made a massive announcement that's going to change how creators sell high-ticket products online. It's called SplitIt, and it's already helping creators double, even triple their sales overnight. Watch this clip right here to see what Iman Gadzhi was saying about it.
You see, in our industry, online education, online coaching, consulting, digital products, anything in our sphere, historically, it was incredibly difficult for someone to even split up a 5K payment. You see, well, at least that was until recently. Because here at Whop, in collaboration with our incredible partners, we have brought accessibility to more people. And this is why we have been so focused over the space of the last couple months, really leveling the playing field by building the most robust payments infrastructure in the industry here at Whop.
If you've ever tried selling anything over $500 online, you know the biggest objection is always the same. This financing option completely eliminates that barrier, allowing you to close way more deals. So what exactly is SplitIt? It's basically a buy now, pay later option that's exclusively on Whop. Whop signed an exclusive agreement with SplitIt, meaning no other platform has access to it. We're literally the only ones helping smaller businesses get access to this financing option. If you wanted to sign up to SplitIt directly off of this platform, you'd have to be doing north of $10 million per month in order to be approved. But since we're the merchant of record and we have SplitIt, we're going to grant you access. This is literally an enterprise level financing option that's now available to businesses doing as low as a few $1,000s a month. To be clear, there's going to be absolutely no credit checks like regular financing options like Affirm or Klarna, for instance. Credit score takes absolutely no part. Instead, what happens is it just taps into the customer's credit, basically their availability, and does what's called a pre-authorization. This is similar to when you're checking into a hotel and they pre-authorize your card for the room. They're doing this to make sure that you basically have access to that money. So if you have, for instance, an Amex card that has literally no limit, you could do financing with SplitIt and get access to, let's say, a $20,000 program, even though you don't have $20,000 in cash. And since you're using SplitIt, you're paying literally no interest. Whereas if you put it on an Amex and paid it over time, you would be paying 20 to 29% interest for carrying that balance on that Amex. Your customers could spread the payments over 3, 6, or even 12 months using a card that they already have. And to be clear, you're getting paid 100% upfront. Now you might be thinking, if they already have a credit card, why would they use SplitIt? That's a great question. Here's the thing. Like I said before, if they decided to use the credit card and not SplitIt, the full amount's going to get charged to their credit card, and they're most likely not going to be able to pay the card off with cash right when they're paying for your program. So that means they're going to have to carry a balance of, let's say, a $10,000 program from one month to the next. And every single month that they're carrying that balance, they're paying additional interest. Your average credit card is charging 25% interest, so that's basically 2% that they're going to be charged every single month. So even though they already have the credit available on a credit card, SplitIt gives them the option to spread out payments without getting hit with those brutal interest charges every single month. SplitIt blows other financing options like ZipPay, Afterpay, Klarna, and Sezzle out of the water, and here's why. Most of those other options only work in the United States, but SplitIt works internationally. So you can literally sell to customers anywhere in the world, as long as they have a credit card. Plus, Afterpay caps out at $4,000, Klarna stops at $10,000, ZipPay $1,500, Affirm $30,000, but SplitIt goes all the way up to $66,000. That's a crazy limit, and that opens up possibilities for even higher ticket coaching programs, masterminds, and other higher tier programs. And remember, there's no credit score in the mix because it's using their existing credit card. The reason why most BNPL options only work in the United States is because different countries have different credit processes for credit score. So with this, they can completely avoid that. The approval rates are actually through the roof compared to traditional financing. Your customer pays 0 interest, and if someone defaults, that's not your problem. You already got paid. I've literally seen people come in after doing typically $100,000 to maybe $150,000 a week, come in on Whop and process over $400,000 in literally 1 week, with over 50% of the transactions being SplitIt. What do you think that says about this financing option? That's how powerful this is. Since Whop announced SplitIt, we've also had dozens of creators do over $100,000 in a month that have only done as high as $50,000 in a month by using SplitIt. We've also had other people do over $400,000 $100,000 in 72 hours and had plenty of other people do their first $100,000 days. Now, if you want to get this set up, it's actually super simple. You don't need to be tech savvy or anything like that. If you want to get access to SplitIt, very simple. If you're doing below $50,000 a month, just make an account with Whop using my affiliate link down below. And after you set up, create a checkout link. On the checkout link setup, there's going to be a button to apply for financing. Click on that button, apply using the form. And if you're doing more than $50,000 a month, and by the way, be honest here because we're going to need to check processing statements anyways. But if you're doing over $50,000 a month, book a call with me directly by clicking the link down below that says book a call. That's going to be in the description and I'll be able to help expedite that application process. Here's where most people mess up though. Once you have it set up, you need to change how you talk about your pricing. Instead of saying my course costs $1,000 or $4,000, start saying get started today for just $83 a month with no interest. Or if it's $4,000, you'd say $332 per month. Do you see the difference and how much better that sounds? You're not lying, you're not being misleading, you're just presenting the same information in a way that doesn't scare people off. Here's a major reason why SplitIt is making such a big difference. It's literally solving the biggest problem in online sales right now, which is people thinking that they can't afford what you're selling. When you break down a $1,000 purchase into $83 a month payments, you're literally moving it from, oh no, I need to find $1,000 right now, to, oh, that's just a Netflix subscription. Obviously a little bit more expensive, but basically the same. It's the same money, but it feels completely different in your customer's mind. This is especially powerful if you're selling anything between $500 and $66,000. That's an insane range that covers literally everything from basic courses to high-end masterminds and coaching programs. So that's pretty much the breakdown of SplitIt and what Iman had to say about it. This financing option is literally transforming how creators sell online. And honestly, I've never seen anything like this before. I've had an insane amount of people book a call with me just to talk about SplitIt, more than ever before. And people are just jumping into this and making a fuck ton of money. If you want, I've created a free program called the Affiliate Advantage Club that walks you through everything in detail on how to become an affiliate on Whop and make passive income just referring people directly to me. Usually really big accounts that you can make lots of money from. So just click the link down below, join for free. And if this video helped you out, hit the like button. Definitely subscribe to see more videos like this and how to make money on Whop. Drop a comment down below saying SplitIt if you're going to try this out, and I'll personally respond with some extra tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.